AI-powered operations. Libraries are using AI to automate routine but labor-intensive tasks. The rise of the intelligent library, AI, and advanced technology, particularly AI, is no longer a futuristic concept, but a present reality actively being integrated into library systems to make them smarter and more efficient. This includes AI-assisted cataloging of special collections, streamlining acquisitions, and using analytics for smarter decision-making. An exciting development on the horizon is TinyML, which embeds machine learning directly into library devices. This could enable smart book sorting based on cover recognition, real-time noise monitoring in quiet zones without recording conversations, and even offline personalized book recommendations, all while preserving user privacy and transforming discovery and research. Generative AI is changing how we find and interact with information. We're seeing the development of AI-powered tools to enhance resource discovery, making it easier for users to find what they need. For researcher,